Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. So if you are struggling to summarize a particular reference paper for your research paper writing, so here is a best option, and AI tool will do it for you. And also you can analyze that particular reference paper very better using this AI tool. So this AI tool is one of the very best option for you to make a better literature review, and you can analyze your document even better and get the crisp and key points finally by using this AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So before going to today's video, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI revolution. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to discuss about different types of ChatGPT prompts and research prompts in ChatGPT, and how that research prompts will be useful for us to generate a better content with ChatGPT. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. So don't forget to register our workshop and make your research paper writing very simple. As there is a evolution in EV charging, that is electric vehicle charging, there are many electric vehicle charging stations are incorporated. So in this extent, this is a workshop about EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So this workshop is all about how to make an PV and wind energy powered EV charging stations. So in this workshop we are going to discuss about the different things. So here you can see these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop: modeling of grid connected PV system, and we are going to simulate PV and wind system behavior under various conditions and optimize maximum power point tracking algorithms in that wind PV system. So next one, we are going to model PV wind based EV charging stations, and we are going to explore PV wind based EV charging station in MATLAB online workshop. So next one, we are going to bridge the gap between renewable energy and electric mobility using MATLAB. So these are the important perks we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you are interested in, don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in this description of the video. So see you on our workshop. If you want to learn basics of MATLAB, here is a better opportunity where you can learn from basics to advanced applications. So in this workshop we are going to discuss MATLAB development environment, basic syntax, looping, 2D and 3D plotting, PID controller and tuning, fuzzy logic toolbox, neural network toolbox, ANFIS toolbox, genetic algorithm and PSO algorithm. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this MATLAB workshop. The main objective of this MATLAB workshop is to familiarize you all with the basics of MATLAB and how to make your MATLAB very useful for you to write your research paper. So don't forget to register this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in this description of the video. So learn MATLAB and do wonders. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Anysummary. So you can summarize any file with AI. So just to click on this, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So in this summary you can see, powered by ChatGPT, analyze and summarize long interview audios or video file quickly. Get the key points, highlights and insights from your files in just few minutes. So here you can see, you can customize your summary, bullet points, quotes or a full abstract. So choose the format works best for you, provide your own summary instruction or let our AI do the work for you. So here you can see, you can drop and drag and drop any files here, that is PDF, docs, JPEG, PNG, MOV, PPT. So any file you can drag and drop. So even you will get the summary of videos also. So just to click on that, so you can upload your file here. So this is the file I am having, that's this file. I am going to upload this file. So it will take several seconds to upload. So in order to get a better understanding about the file I have uploaded, so this is the file I have uploaded for this Anysummary. So in this you can see, this is the research paper titled Optimization of Controlled Parameters for Grid Connected PV System at Faulty Network Using Artificial Neural Network Based 𝐾𝐽 Algorithm. So this is the paper I have uploaded in this Anysummary. So let us see how this Anysummary will generate answer for us. So here you can see, so this is the content which is generated from this Anysummary. So in this you can see, first point is bullet points. So in this you can see the document discusses the need for careful handling of grid integration issues in grid connected power system. Particularly PV power constitutes a larger percentage of the grid. So next one, the use of response surface methodology, artificial neural network modeling techniques optimizing the design of PV system is explored in the study. So and also you can see the study proposes the use of cascaded PI controllers in the grid tied inverter of PV system and explore CSA, that is 𝐞𝐸-𝐸 algorithm to optimize the design of these controllers. Next, the effectiveness of the proposed system is investigated through simulations using PSCAD software and compare with other optimization techniques such as genetic algorithm and bacterial foraging optimization technique algorithms. So like that, it will give a important points associated with the paper and give a better summary of the particular paper. This summary will help you to make a better literature review for your research paper writing. So this is the first option available here. Next you can see this is the custom summary option. So here you can see summarize the key facts in this document into one paragraph. So this is a fantastic option. Just by clicking, so you will be getting the customized summary. So this customized summary will help us to write our research, that is your literature review of your research paper very easily. So here you can see in a single paragraph, this is the customized literature review. So this document discusses an optimization study for control parameters in a grid tied PV system. The study uses response surface methodology and artificial neural network to develop a mathematical model of the PV system, the fitness function. So like that, it has given a paragraph to content. So you can copy and paste the same content. So and you can use the same content for your literature review writing in your research paper if you choose this paper as your reference paper. So next option is the chat. So click on chat. So here you can see this is a chat bot. This is the example. Here you can see what are the limitations of using response surface methodology, that is RSM. So next, can you explain the fitness function used in optimization of the PI control parameters? So these are the possible questions can be asked in this particular paper. So here also these are the possible questions. Here you can see how are the control parameters of PV system optimized under 𝐶𝐸-𝐸 algorithm. So here you can copy and paste the question here. So and click enter. So AI will analyze the particular paper you have uploaded and it will give you better answers for you. So here you can see that our answer is generated. So the control parameters of PV system are optimized using CSA by applying CSA to the fitness function. The fitness function is formulated using response surface methodology and artificial neural network. So like that, it will generate a better content from the questions you have asked, or else you can ask your own questions also in this particular chatbot. So thereby this chatbot will answer and that is give better answers for you. So this is the next option. Next one, this is TLDR. So in this also you will be getting the summarized version of the particular document you have uploaded. So next one is detailed. So if you need a detailed summary of the particular paper you have uploaded, a research paper you have uploaded, this is the detailed summary. So this summary can be used for your research paper writing as a literature review, or else if you want to analyze more about this particular paper, so you can use this detailed literature review, especially for those who are writing review paper for your research work. So those who are in the starting stage of your research paper writing, so you can make use of this detailed summary points, thereby you can get an idea about this detailed summary points. So make use of this option to write a detailed summary of the research paper. So next one, you can see this is sarcastic. So we no need this option. So you can use all other option in this particular Anysummary. So here you can see these are the possible languages. There are different languages that are available: Spanish, German, French, Portuguese, next Russian, Chinese, etc. So as far as our research article preparation is concerned, so you can use this summarized version or customized summary, or else detailed summary. If you want to know more about this paper, you can go to chat option. So you can analyze the chat option and make your queries answered very nicely by this AI tool. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't get rid of the tension in writing your literature review. So this will be a better option to write a literature review for your research paper. So make use of this option to make your research paper writing simple. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.